So, now we know what social selling is, we've listened to our market, we've followed and connected with influencers, we've updated our profiles, we've networked. Now what? Next step is to engage with prospects. You know already that your customers and prospects are sharing much about what's going on in their lives publicly on social media, and your job is to effectively target, understand, and engage with them. Social media can be quite noisy, and sometimes prospective customers can be buried in a sea of lookalikes. But with a little effort of keyword research, which we've talked about in our previous lessons, and some strategizing, your customers will pop up in front of you faster than you expect. So, your main next step is use the search function within social channels. Sometimes you may want to take a deeper dive into researching your customers on a specific social media platform. Or you may love using a certain social platform and want to know whether your customers are there too. You can use the platform search functionality to quickly find out if your customers use the same platform. Each social channel has a search function that gives you the opportunity to instantly determine whether your customers are using it. And this can be as simple as entering the names of some of your customers in the search box on the social platform. You can also search on things like your niche topic, relevant industry leaders, brands within your niche, and any competitors you might have. For example, Twitter is considered as a goldmine for prospecting. It is easy to use Twitter's search function to attach industry-specific keywords to Twitter users who may be interested in what you're offering. You can even take your Twitter mining one step further with HubSpot's Social Inbox. Social Inbox helps you track who is who in your Twitter list and searches by showing your contacts' database of leads, opportunities, and customers, and merging it with your social media activity. Utilizing this tool means moving the most enticing prospects on Twitter bubble right up to the very top. You can use LinkedIn and Facebook groups for prospecting too. Groups are the best place to insert yourself in relevant conversations and provide useful advice, tips, and content to get noticed and attract potential prospects to you and your business. You can also ask your current customers where they hang out. Asking is the low-hanging fruit that's easy for small business owners to overlook. It's such a simple thing to do and allows you to further cement the personal connection you have with your customers. If you have a brick-and-mortar business, when your customers visit your location, ask whether they use social media. If you have another type of business, figure out the best time and place to ask your customers whether they use social media. If they do use social media, ask them what channels they spend their time on. Is it Facebook? Pinterest? Maybe it's LinkedIn. Or send your customer contacts an email and ask them the same question. It doesn't have to be the subject of an entire email necessarily. Just a simple PS at the end of your weekly newsletter or part of your quarterly survey you send out should work wonders. No matter what, remember, finding your customers doesn't have to be complicated. Use these simple, effective, and free ideas to find out which social channels your customers are using. As a business, if you're not engaging with your customers on their terms, you're missing a huge opportunity to add value and ultimately grow your business.